And we'll see about storing and accessing data from two-dimensional array. That is, when I create a matrix here of order 3 cross 4, it is 3 rows are being created, and in each row you'll be having 4 columns. It's going to be a fixed size. So 3 rows, and in each row we'll have here 4 columns. Now the row number is going to be 0, 1 and 2. Same with the column numbers are going to be 0, 1, 2 and so this location is identified as array name is A, the row number is 0 and the column number is also 0. So A of 0, 0 means it's going to be this location, and in that location if you want to store 25, then you can give A of 0, 0 equals to 20. In that case the 25 will be stored in this place. Same way I can give here A of 0 of 1 is equals to 5, 0th row and column 1, here the 5 value has been stored. If I want to store 18 in this place, then you have got to give here A of, the row number is going to be here 1, A of 1, of column number is nothing but 2, so you have to give here A of 1 of 2 is equals to, so this is how we can store the data. Same way accessing also going to be the same thing. If you want to fetch the value of this A of 1 comma 2 and store into an X, then you can give here X is equals to A of row number is 1 and column is, so in that case X will have your value. So if you want to read all these location values, so first I want to read 0, 0 location value, then 0, 1, that is second location, then 0, 2, then 0, same way I want to read the second row. It's going to be nothing but 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 2. Same way again 1, 3 is also there. It's going to be here 1, 3. Same way 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3. So if you want to read the matrix, then you got to generate these all index numbers. So let's take this will be generated by I and this will be generated by J. So here when I value is 0, then you're going to generate here 0, 1, 2, 3. When I value is 1, then again you're going to generate here 0, 1, 2, 3. When I value is 2, then again you're going to generate here 0, 1, 2, 3. So this can be done through nested loop. So take a for loop where you can give I equals to 0, I is less than number of rows. Number of rows is nothing but less than 3. Okay, here the matrix of order of matrix is 3 cross 4. So I is less than 3 and then I plus plus. Same way for generating the column numbers, when I value is 0, it should generate here for J 0, 1, 2, 3. That means you can give here J equals to 0, J is less than 4. Okay, less than 4 means it will go up to 3. And then here you give J plus plus. And if you want to read the data, you can give scanf %d ampersand of A of I of J. A of I comma J. So this is going to read here a matrix of order 3 cross 4. First time I value is 0, 0 is less than 3, true, then J equals to 0, 0 is less than 4, true, scanf A of I comma J, that is 0, 0 value is been read. So I'll give it as an some 25 has been stored. Next time again goes back with the inner loop, increments J value. J value is going to be 1. So 1 is less than 4, true. So A of I comma J, that is nothing but 1, 1 value has been read. Sorry, I value is 0, so 0, 1 value, I'll give it as an 5. Then again go back J plus plus, this time J value is going to be 2, so 0, 2 value, 0, 2 value is here, I'll give it as an 8 as the data. Then again go back J plus plus, J is going to be 3, so 3 is less than 4, true, A of 0, 3 value, I'll give it as an 2 here, the 2 has been stored. Then when you go back J plus plus, J is going to be 4, but 4 is less than 4, the condition is false. So when it's false, it comes out of that inner for loop. Then again go with the outer for, I value is incremented here. Now I value is going to be 1. So I is going to be 1, and again 1 is less than 3, true. J value once again starts from, J value starts from 0. So 0 is less than 4, true. So again I comma J. This time it will read here 1, 0. So 1, 0 is nothing but this location. I'll give it as an 3, then 3 will be stored. Same way 1, 1 value has been read. So I'll give it as an 4 here. So same way 1, 2, I'll give it as an 18. 1, 3, I'll give it as an 16. So 16 has been stored in 1, 3. So like this, it will read here all 3 rows and 3 columns. Same way, this is for reading part. Same way, after reading I want to display, so you can take another for loop. It's going to be same nested loop. I equals to 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. So let's bring the cursor to the new line before displaying that row data. So by giving here printf /n, the cursor will be brought to the new line, and now to generate the column numbers you take here j loop. J equals to 0, j is less than 4, and then j plus plus. And now first time I value is 0 and j value is also 0. So come and display our I comma j value by giving printf %d, that is array of I of j. So 0 comma 0 is nothing but 25, so here 25 has been displayed, and then cursor gets shifted to the next place. Again go back, j plus plus, j is going to be here 1, so 1 is less than 4, true, and then again array of I comma j, there is nothing but 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1 value is nothing but 5 here. When j value is 2, 0 comma 2, that is 8 is been, then 0 comma 3, that is nothing but 2 is displayed. And then after that, when j value becomes here 4, 4 is less than 4, the condition is false, comes out. Again go back, I plus plus, this time I is going to be now 1. So once again 1 is less than 3, true, bring the cursor to the new line. Next line, and the second row will be displayed in this new line, that is 3, then 4, then 18 and 16, and then again cursor. So this is how we read the data and then to display the same. I'll show you the output in the code block. Fine, program to read a matrix of order 2 cross 3. Instead of 3 cross 4, I've taken as in 2 cross 3 and display the same. I've declared an array here, ARR 2 cross 3, and I and j is for generating an index variable. Read matrix, enter matrix of order 2 cross 3. So I is 0, I is less than 2, I plus plus, j equals to 0, j is less than 3, and j plus plus. And here I have given scanf array of I comma j. And then while displaying, so here display matrix, entered matrix colon, I value is 0, I is less than 2, and I plus plus, and I'll bring the cursor to the new line before displaying each row. Okay, j equals to 0, j is less than 3, and j plus plus, printf %d array of I comma j. So let's run the code, compile it. Fine, compile this. So no error, we can run this. So it's asking for the data. I'll give the data as 1 space 2 space 3. So whenever you give a space, that is treated as an 1 data is over. Okay, press enter key, then 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4, 5 and 6. So the entered matrix is 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you want, you can also give the data like this. So it's asking for the data. I'll give 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this 1 will be taken as 1 0 comma 0, the 2 will be stored inside 0 comma 1, 3 will be stored in 0 comma 2. Okay, same way next 4 will be stored in 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 2, and it has been displayed in this way. So this is a simple program to read a matrix of order 2 cross 3 and display the same.